Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why is this bald guy just made a simple brick looking thing? But this is where you start to be able to use some of the functions of form to make it into a shape that's better suited to whatever it is that you're designing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to modify because we want to start changing this starting shape. Now, a lot of these functions will be quite unfamiliar, but generally what they're trying to do is take those faces, those edges, and start to shape them in different ways. What we're going to stick to just for now is this one at the top, edit form. Now, in the dialog box, there's a few different options, mainly focused around how we move the shape and what it is that we select. I'm a nice simple guy, so I'm just going to leave it as it is just for now. What I'm going to want to do with this function though is I'm going to start to try and create that roof shape of our car. In order to do this, I'm going to need to select these two faces just here in the middle. To select multiple faces or edges, simply keep hold of Control on your keyboard or Command if you're on a Mac. And what you'll notice is once I select these two faces, it's also going to select the two corresponding faces on the other side of our symmetry line. Now, what you might notice about this is a lot of these symbols are very similar to the move copy function. That's because essentially a lot of this is relating to that. What it allows me to do is move these faces around, maybe change and resize them, and it will then change the form with regard to that. What I'm going to stick with is just this up arrow. Again, with most functions on Fusion, you can simply click and drag, or you can type in a value if you want to be a bit more specific. You can look at it from different perspectives, try and figure out what looks best for you. I'm going to want this car to still look a bit more sleek and sporty, so I don't want that roof to stick out just as much. So I'm happy with about 350, so I'm just going to click OK. What you'll see, it's now added that nice curvature and that nice rooftop shape to our design. It's looking a bit less like a brick now, isn't it?